If you're thinking about opening a Gold IRA but don't know which company to trust, you're not alone. With so many flashy offers out there, how do you tell who's really built for the long run? The easiest way to check a Gold IRA company's trust factor? Look past the sales pitch and into how they actually operate. This PDF from Augusta Precious Metals, Why Choose Augusta, breaks it down. Right off the bat, they lead with real credibility. An A-plus rating from the BBB, thousands of five-star reviews, and even an on-staff economist trained at Harvard. That's not hype. That's long-term positioning. Now let me show you one more. This one's called Welcome to Augusta, and it's basically their values in plain English. No pressure, no gimmicks. Just education, transparency, and a focus on client empowerment. I'll link this one in the description. It's part of a free guide bundle you can download right now. So instead of just hoping you pick a trustworthy company, you can actually verify it with facts. This guide is just one piece of Augusta's Gold IRA Ultimate Guide, a free 8-part PDF bundle that helps you compare companies, understand pricing, and protect your retirement from pressure tactics. The two I showed today, Why Choose Augusta and Welcome to Augusta, are especially useful if trust and transparency are at the top of your list. If you're serious about protecting your retirement, don't leave trust to chance. Grab the full bundle. It's free, beginner friendly, and built to help you move forward with clarity. Just check the link in the description to download it.